ENFENT introduces the side gluing machine for air conditioner filters, an essential part of modern filter production lines. This machine applies adhesive to both sides of the filter with precision and consistency, ensuring strong bonding and reliable quality. With its smart control panel, operators can easily adjust temperature and speed to suit different materials and production needs. The smooth feeding system reduces waste and increases efficiency, while the built-in safety features guarantee operator protection. Compact, energy-efficient, and easy to maintain, ENFENTE side gluing machine helps factories cut costs, boost productivity, and deliver filters that meet international standards. ENFENT, complete solutions for automotive and AC filter production worldwide.